What's up, everybody? Welcome back. You're watching the live right now, and I'd like to start the live by reading the Poly Network tweet that happened earlier today, August 10th at 7:30 a.m. based on what we're reading right now on the screen. And they say, important notice, we're sorry to announce that Poly Network was attacked on Binance Chain, on Ethereum, and on 0x Polygon. Assets had been transferred to the hackers following address. Everyone, welcome back to the live. My name is Oscar, and today, as you see on the thumbnail, we're gonna go over AMP token, ACH Crypto questions, and of course the Ethereum stalling. What a day, everyone. I'm gonna give you my take. By now, I'm sure that you guys already did your research and have an idea of what's going on with this. But is this gonna affect my investments in the future as far as investing in cryptocurrencies? Absolutely not. But more on that later. Yes, guys. Poly Network was hacked. It was. If I continue scrolling down right here. The community says the biggest DeFi hack ever. Ethereum about 273 million. Binance Smart Chain 253 million. Polygon 85 million. Even some of the news are saying even some other more cryptocurrencies total about 600 plus million Poly Network hack. So everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to the live. This is Oscar, and well, what a day for cryptocurrencies. What a day for the crypto market as a whole. In a way, everyone, AMP token, Alchemy Pay, and Ethereum doing well so far. Later on, I'm going to continue talking about that and do some questions. But how's it going, guys? Welcome. Oh, boy, what a day. What a good one. Starting this week, talking about AMP token. I still have a bullish prediction on AMP token. I still know that it's going to continue. I believe it's going to continue going up. But of course, at this time right now, it's stagnant. Is looking at 6 cents, 6 cents, 6 cents. And as Ryan Alexander, welcome to the live, my man, Cardano. And I hold Cardano dear and near. I'm not going away from my dear Cardano. It's doing fantastic. I will give you more details on Cardano as well. Earlier today, I posted about Ethereum, the top altcoin, my top altcoin by far. I do like Ethereum a lot, and the reason why is because everything is like inside Ethereum. Everyone is a super beautiful computer that's a blockchain and an altcoin and a cryptocurrency. The best way to understand Ethereum, everyone, is to think about the S&P 500, right? In the S&P 500, you have 500 companies. Well, in Ethereum, the blockchain, you have 500 plus, I believe, different projects. So it's slowly but surely. So it's a huge enterprise of entities. But anyhow, guys, welcome to the live. This is Oscar. You know, we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. And if you guys like the content, the videos, please go ahead, consider subscribing, turning on those notification bells, and giving this video a like. Thank you very much. All right, I see my audio. You know, I will check the audio and everything, so it's doing fine. We have Renee, we have Isaiah, Chris C. What do you think about Rally? What's up? What up, buddy? Yeah, Rally, you mean a cryptocurrency or the actual crypto rally? Because it's pretty cool. The fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing well, that's all I need to know. Even though some of my other favorite coins like AMP token or in this case Alchemy Pay are just still, that doesn't even matter too much to me. How you doing? I say hello, Empire. Hope you're having a nice day. Of course, some of my Empire fellows are probably joining. If you guys are ready for a good night, go ahead and share this video. But anyway, I forgot to open Coin Market. Here it is. There you go. So today, guys, 1.88 trillion in the global market cap, 1.28 increase over the last day. We're seeing the price of Bitcoin rise in the last 7 days, 20%, Ethereum 26%. Of course, we know Ethereum because of the London fork upgrade, ICP interior, Ethereum improvement protocol, and it's doing well. Liking it. So far, where's our AMP token? It's already like 49, everyone. It's at 49 rank. We really don't like to see AMP token passing the 40, but it's getting close to the 50. And why is that? Well, based on the video I made a couple days ago or earlier, a lot of people are extremely disappointed that AMP token is not moving, guys. So where's the empire? Are we gonna just sell AMP token right now and move somewhere else back to stocks? Are we gonna just sell AMP token and forget this is an amazing project? People often call me that I have no idea what I'm talking about AMP token. Well, this project it's still doing fantastic things so far, and it's still doing what it was created and meant to. Collateralizing payments. That's it, right? And the fact that Flex Network owns it, it doesn't mean that more other companies cannot use it, and that will be coming later on in the future. I see it. So absolutely no worry. How you doing, guys? Welcome. Rally the cryptocurrency, Renee. Yes, absolutely. In a way, guys, just take a look at the prices of some of the cryptocurrencies right now. Okay. We're in a period, like I started this live stream, guys, telling you this. The Polygon network, not the Polygon, but the Poly network hack just happened today. So of course, $600 million worth of cryptocurrency hacked. That gives us all a message, which is, are we feeling confident with our cryptocurrency investments right now, thus far, right? And if you didn't know, well, I advocate for security over anything else, right? That's why I try to keep my cryptocurrencies in brokers that I know are fairly secure. But anyway, these hacks are extremely what I will say, it's sad when we kind of face the reality of this type of events, right? And I guarantee you guys that the government is gonna step inside on this and try to mitigate and get to the bottom of this, or start to add legislation for cryptocurrency purposes. So get ready for that, everyone. Get ready for that. For legislation for the government to really, at the highest levels. Polygon, just take a look at this one, everyone. Dear hacker, this is what the Poly network did earlier today, just right after, a couple hours after the hack. They say, dear hacker, we're the Poly network team. We want to establish communication with you and urge you to return the hacked assets. So this guy, in this case, it could have been any of us. Sadly, of course, these were hacked from the Poly network. But anyway, sad story. What do you guys think? Are we just gonna quit the cryptocurrencies right now because some of them were hacked? Absolutely not. Alrighty, guys. So I'm talking, baby. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So hope you're having a fantastic day. And if you're watching this video, make sure you like, so more people know about AMP token and ACH Crypto. That's what we're gonna be talking today. I still left my Fibonacci retracement. Alrighty, beautiful. So if you might recall, on Monday I talked about this, which is there you go, the price and the price prediction of AMP token. So people who are watching, are you guys just gonna leave the ship because AMP token is not moving? Are you just selling and that's it, moving to other cryptocurrencies that have more potential to grow? Well, if you're doing that, that's totally fine. You do whatever you want with your money, and that's the freedom we all have, right? In my case, I take it when I find a project that I know it's secured, and not only secure, but there's room to grow in the future, and still we're not there yet to realize the full potential of this. That's when I put my money on, and I'm still halfway there. I'm halfway there. You guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. You know that from the beginning. And I've been telling you about AMP token ever since I bought it back in April. I bought it, I believe, like around 3 cents. I think this is just to there you go. That's much cleaner. We're gonna go ahead and start doing the analysis right now. But the idea here when it comes to AMP token, there you go. I think that's way better, much cleaner. The idea when it comes to AMP token, guys, is that we'll just have to treat this baby, like we've been saying in the past, as a long-term digital asset. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I wanted it. I wanted AMP token to rally even higher. I thought it was just gonna continue rallying after the Binance.us, but it did not, and it came back to that consolidation price that we've been talking about, right? We got Isaiah Woods. We have the raw fishing where people are buying more. Market is high now, so that's why I'm not quite sure. Good. Hey, should I buy 3K AMP more now? Well, guys, let me tell you what I'm going to do. And at this point in time, I made a lot of purchases. So my purchasing power is low, which means that I cannot buy any more cryptocurrency at this time, or like any other investment. That's okay. But I think 6 cents, it's the price that we were looking at it back in the day, right here, 2 months ago. And we wanted for it to grow, and it did not. Came back down, and then after the Amazon speculation, came back up to 9 cents. So I think my take is you have to put it, just buy it and forget. Buy it and forget. That's, I think, what I'm going to do, right? And wait until it continues popping more. That's when it comes to the price of AMP token, because the project, you know, the vision, the Flex network, all of that, staking. Like every time I talk about staking, you guys are already doing your homework. Some of you already are staking, of course. Stack, absolutely. AMP major bullish, revergence on 4 hours. RSI great coin. There you have it. Let's go ahead to the 4 hours, shall we? There you have it. That's the 4 hours, baby. That's the 4 hours. So here's the thing with AMP token, guys, and it's very clear. I'm not leaving. I'm not selling. Who is not selling like me, everyone? Let's go ahead and blow that chat up. We're not selling. We're not. Slowly but surely, everyone. Slowly but surely, I know things will come through. And here is this. If AMP token doesn't go past 10 cents by the end of the year, to be honest with you, I'll be extremely disappointed with AMP token. But I still by then I won't move any of my coins away from the project. Honestly, I don't think AMP is not going to reach that goal based on everything that we've seen so far. At this point in time, we got all the I will call predicted launches for broker launches. We got Binance.us, we got Coinbase. The only ones left could be Binance International. What else, guys? And well, Robinhood, I don't think it's never gonna happen, but if it does, that'll be massive. Webull too. Never sell them. I'm hold. There you go. I'm not selling either. There you go. There's the empire. There's the empire. There you go. I'm gonna be talking about ACH just after AMP, but yeah, I mean, we know the project. We know the fact of staking. Plus, I'm trying to get some people from Flexa too. But I mean, I just like it. I just like it. And there's a price. There's the price. When it comes to the year to date, guys, which I do like to see this chart. You're seeing it right now. The middle band on the other side, it's just there. So in the end, like I've been saying for a long time, it's a long-term one. We don't have to move it all, but it's just there. Let me go to Etherscan, guys. That's a beauty. Always like to see Etherscan. Joseph S. Just hold both like and you will win that way. Absolutely, buddy. Absolutely. You know the cheat codes. Hey, Liz, what's up, buddy? I'm in Ethereum, my main long-term hold. I totally agree. So Etherscan, for some reason, hasn't been working for me, like showing me the holders increase. I don't know why, but it says 34,000. Last time I've been checking it was at 31, 32, 32. So it's slowly increasing. You see on Tuesday the 10th, if you're seeing the numbers right now, it's 34,439. And right now it's just a shy a little bit more. So slowly but surely, you and I know, guys, that AMP token, it's still, I mean, it's a lot of coins in circulation. You have to say that. I mean, we have to say that there's a lot of coins. And that was one of the reasons why AMP token did not increase much when ACH was increasing, because ACH is 10 billion. AMP token is 100 million. But remember, not all the coins that a cryptocurrency has to offer are open to the public, right? If not, there will be a lot of whales buying it, and that's it. Some of them are kept for the project founders. Some of them are kept for other purposes. You name it. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much when it comes to AMP token. And well, I previously, of course, said that I wanted to see AMP token, like the price prediction is what, 15 cents at this point. What is your price prediction, everyone? We've gone through this bear case scenario. Last time we went through this, 6 cents. Remember the Excel? Remember that chat? We had 6 cents. Then the middle case scenario was 20 cents, 25 cents, if I'm not mistaken. And the bullish case scenario, oh boy, was like 32, 34 cents. That was insane, honestly. That was insane. Isaiah Woods, I need to get some ACH, but waiting for a dip to buy a little bit more. Absolutely. Honestly, everyone, these two beauties, AMP and ACH, are amazing. Like, I've been going through them. But you know what cryptocurrency I was reading about yesterday while I was just finishing my day? I was reading about XRP, Ripple Network. Have you guys heard of Ripple XRP? Well, I am not an expert on XRP. I'm still learning on XRP. But, oh boy, XRP is a massive juggernaut. And, well, it's suspended right now, as we know. But XRP, once it opens up, pretty much it does help enterprises and different companies make money transactions way better. So XRP, when it comes to the payment industry, when it comes to the transfer industry, seems very, very awesome. And I mean, because of the businesses and the partners it has, that's good. But we see, guys, that in the industry of payments, the DeFi, the finance transaction, that's where coins and the cryptocurrency, the DeFi, the decentralized DeFi, it's getting it. That's what blockchain is doing the most work, it seems, because there's the place where you can make the most money. All these cryptocurrencies, at the end of the day, of course, they want to make money. And that's very important to know, making money. Hey, Andrew, how's it going? XRP is goated, XRP bad, and it's up on hold, so don't wait until its main platform so you will miss out. AMP is a buy and forget about it. Just hold 5 to 10 years. There you go. Absolutely. Well, there you go. So you do own some XRP, 88 Madeline. So yeah, I mean, I couldn't buy XRP because they cancel it or they pause it, of course, much before, that I was able to notice it. But that's a good one that I really want to take in consideration. So when it comes to AMP token, guys, just taking a look at the 1 hour, 24 hours, 1 day, it hasn't moved at all. 0.04%. 1 week, pretty much the same. We went to 7 cents, like nothing. Of course, the thing about AMP token, if you're watching and you want to trade it, at this time, it's hard for you to trade it. So I understand, because there's people who just want to make money extremely fast, and that makes total sense. But AMP token at this time is not going to be your best bet, the best vehicle for you if you want to make money fast. 1 month, everyone. There's when we see some growth at 11% for AMP token. And then the 1 year. So here is the proof. Here's the proof. And no, it's not even 1 year, everyone, right? It's like 7 months. It's like 7 months, because here it was flat. And that's when I first bought my AMP token. I found it like this, flat. Like we're seeing it right now. I found it like that, flat. So that gives me another clue that it's just sleeping. It's a sleeping giant, slowly. And I believe today, Coin Bureau talked about it based on the thumbnail he used. I didn't click on the video, but I saw that, like the AMP token logo. So I'm like, cool. So there's more people talking about it. That's fantastic. That's what we wanted. And of course, people selling. The popularity is now 9 on Coinbase. And the circulating supply is 42 billion. Hasn't really changed too much. Hasn't really changed. Let me go back to the official website. It's been a while since I haven't gone there. Stakes and repeat. Stakes and repeat. We've been doing that, of course. Why AMP? Well, AMP helps you decentralize risk for your users with smart contract features, purpose-built for collateral. Nothing more, nothing else, everyone. That's AMP token, baby. Collateral as a service. AMP collateralization is tested, audited, and freely available for anyone to use. It's easy to build apps that lock and unlock AMP on demand to secure transfer, enable lending, and make value more quickly. Non-inflationary, asset agnostic, extensive, and open source. So there you have it, guys. There's the beauty white paper, and these are the nice partners that AMP token has. So far with AMP token, not really much going on when it comes to the price movement, but we'll continue monitoring for each and every one of you. We got someone saying AMP 25 cents by the end of the year. If that happens, I'm going to be extremely happy. My channel will be extremely happy, because, oh boy, you guys believe some people really don't want to see AMP token succeed. And it's fine, right? They see me, or they see some of the AMP token creators or people who talk about AMP token, because I'm not a solely AMP token creator here on YouTube. And they let it go with us. Let it go. They just send it. I was like, AMP token is trash. AMP token is dead. Leave the ship. AMP token is useless. And I'm like, well, it's okay. Whatever. Don't worry. That's what people said about Bitcoin, if I'm not mistaken, right? Polkadot opinion. Polkadot, B-Chain, the two of them, great projects. That's my opinion. Great projects. Worth to hold? Absolutely. Polkadot, B-Chain. Do I own some of them? No. Because one of the things I say consistently in my channel is to build a foundation for the coins you like and the coins you believe in. The ones I believe right now are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, AMP, Polygon, Algorand. I'm still testing ACH even though I own it, right? I want to have a good position on them instead of just picking from everywhere. You see what I'm saying? Because I'm a staker. I'm not a trader when it comes to cryptocurrency. So choose wisely, everyone. Choose wisely. ADA. Oh, ADA, what a beautiful one. ADA, absolutely thing to say. I wish I would have bought more. I have, how many ADA do I have? Let me go back to my portfolio, everyone. I have 857. So I've been buying from here and there when it comes to ADA. Typically, I actually open my Coinbase account, everyone, because of Cardano. If you go back earlier in my videos, I'm going to tell you that I opened Coinbase just solely for Cardano. But of course, later on, I got excited as always, and I kept buying. Now, remember, everyone, we are now talking about Cardano because it's pumping. I think that's paramount in the world of cryptocurrency, everyone, right? Once any type of cryptocurrency is increasing, everyone starts talking about it. That happened with ACH, that happened with Farm, that happened with Cartesi, I believe, that happened with AmToken, that happened with everything. So it's fantastic to understand the human behavior, psychology, right? Psychology. How can you be talking about one cryptocurrency that is not moving at all? Nobody pays attention. Nobody watches that. But when something is pumping like crazy, that's just the money. We're money-driven people. That makes sense. Will Cardano reach $5 anytime soon? $5, Queen's Finance, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the chat. It's a price prediction. It's a low price prediction based on some other creators and content producers that I've seen. Cardano was $2 you're seeing right now on May. So for the value that Cardano offers as a complete proof of stake platform, research driven, peer review driven, that wants to make the world a better place by just having this massive ecosystem of proof of stake and powerful, it's a blockchain that mimics Ethereum. You can build on Cardano, incredible fast transactions and so. Well, I think the biggest issue, everyone, is that the world hasn't realized the power of these blockchains, and government hasn't regulated enough to understand and to let them go freely and to let companies and individuals adopt. If I can go to 2030 right now, in my dreams right now, and you're listening, if I can go to 2030 right now, my kids, God willing, right? My kids can enjoy what we right now are speculating. Okay? Your kids, if you don't have, your kids by then, my kids by then, can enjoy what we right now are speculating. Because for me, it's very difficult to say that X cryptocurrency is going to be $10. But looking at the utility, at what they say they do, at even Cardano's founder, this guy is always on YouTube. Like, he's a YouTuber. He was the co-founder of Ethereum, the founder of Cardano. What else do you want from a founder? What else do you want from a project, right? So it's too easy for me to see potential. Too easy for me to see potential. Cardano, guys, I know I didn't have it in the thumbnail, but if you ask me, second to Ethereum, which one is the best? And you'll note, I'm not even saying AmToken or ACH, because I'm going based on really super strong project and security, stable security for you. Then, I mean, I'll always tell you AmToken, but it's just so difficult because these are massive, huge projects. And note, everyone, I'm not saying at all Dogecoin. I'm not saying at all Shiba Inu or Million token. And if you haven't heard about Million, well, you let me know and I can give you some updates. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people who make so much money on options, on index funds, on mutual funds, on gambling, everything, right? Why can we make such money here on cryptocurrencies? The answer, you can, but because there's now a massive influx of people who are learning about cryptocurrency, things are changing. They're not as easy as before. Everyone, if you're watching the channel, my name is Oscar, and welcome to each one of you to the live stream. We're talking about AMP token. We're about to, of course, start right now talking about ACH, and of course, end with the Ethereum stalling news, and of course, some Q&A, delicious questions from you guys by the end of this video. I know I'm not getting to all the questions today right now as I'm speaking, but by the end, you ask me whatever, and I'll give you my thoughts. But yeah, guys, what do you think? Here's my water. If you don't mind, guys, make sure you go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. What do I talk in the channel? Just my experience as a crypto trader, as an investor trader. Let me go ahead and show you something very quick before we continue. Yesterday, I asked you, how long have you been investing in crypto? Take a look at this answer. If you didn't see this poll, 2021, 61% of this of 1.8k voters said since 2021, then since 2020. So if we add the two that are the highest, 81% in the last year. We need some serious education about cryptocurrency. There's a massive influx of people joining the cryptocurrency chip right now, and they saw Dogecoin and they're like, oh, I want to become a millionaire tomorrow. It's not like that sometimes, right? So Double J, how's it going? It's a member in the chat. Just started buying crypto June 13, 2020. Welcome to the chat, Double J, member in the house. There you go. So yeah, I mean, we're ready to make money. I didn't think it was gonna be this high, to be honest with you. I thought probably there were gonna be some 5 to 10 year olds or 2 to 4 year old, but I mean, this is massive stuff. Let me know, guys, in the chat right now when you guys start investing. Double J just started this chain, but it's amazing, guys. Cardano 1.7, almost 1.7 in the last year, more than 1,000% up. That's what we want to see, guys. That's what we want to see. Michael Delgado, what's up, buddy? Love my ENG. Love AMP is going to be fine. Just seeing the flex assign. I'm a look at AM. Oh, really? That's awesome. Go Cowboys. There you go, my man. That's great. That's awesome. Cardano. Where's the Cardano fam here? AMP is up, but stick with Ethereum. There you go. Right on. Nice, everyone. Cardano 1. Yeah, it's growing right now. It's pretty good. So Cardano, the last year, more than 1,000% up. 25% in the month. 25% in the week. 14% in the last 2 hours. And 1% in the last hour. Let's go ahead and do the technicals here for Cardano, shall we? We'll do this one. Oh, boy. Yep, that is Cardano. And you notice what this also looks like, guys? This looks like Ethereum. This looks like Ethereum. Definitely looks like Ethereum. We started with Ethereum. It looks like Ethereum. Hey, Kevin Mendoza, welcome. Thank you very much, buddy. I mean, that's ADA, right? And we know ADA, it's a proof of stake blockchain, it's a cryptocurrency, and it's an unstoppable force. I'm gonna just go ahead and for those who haven't heard, Cardano is designed to be the next generation evolution of Ethereum idea. So what is Ethereum? It's a decentralized supercomputer that allows you to create decentralized apps, dApps, and your own crypto tokens and much more. It has diverse amounts of applications, right? So Cardano, instead of being proof of work where you have to mine it, mint it, use massive computational power, and most people cannot do, right? With a normal computer like my setup, you cannot mine Ethereum. So with Cardano, it's proof of stake. So the more Cardano you own, you can start getting more Cardano as you continue validating. So it's not mining, it's validation that gets you the coins, the rewards. Good. So Cardano, it is intended to be a flexible, sustainable, and scalable platform for running smart contracts. So those smart contracts, everyone. That's the beauty. That's the golden nugget here, which will allow the development of a wide range of decentralized finance, the apps. So, like I said, everyone, I think the future is powerful for these cryptocurrencies. Absolutely. So, where was I? Here. So this is ADA. Let me show you Ethereum. The same, pretty much the same. So you see Ethereum running. So it is okay to compare Ethereum to Cardano, but not okay in my point of view to compare Cardano to one token, because they do two completely different things. Got it? So now we're learning that Ethereum, Cardano, they're in the same competition, in the same industry, right? Like, let's say these are two companies like Coca-Cola and Pepsi. I cannot compare Coca-Cola to P&G, right? No. But Coca-Cola to Pepsi, I can compare. So Cardano and Ethereum, I can compare, and they're doing fantastic. So let's go ahead and compare the closest competitor to Flexa Network that we know, and guess who it is? So I'm talking, look at the price right now. Steady. ACH Crypto, everyone. And this is my perfect segue. I'm going to actually use, this is my perfect segue to ACH. In the year today, I cannot see the steadiness, but finally in the 4 hours, there you have it. There it is. And actually it's declining a little bit. So ACH. So welcome to ACH time. When it comes to ACH, guys, here it is. What happened is, you remember, you go back, if you go back in the live streams, what did I tell you when we were on July 29 in August? What did I tell you? I have not enough information, but the price is above that beautiful upper band. And look at it right now. It's coming close down. It's coming close. Finally, we see the red candlesticks. That's what I was waiting for. It was difficult at the time. I mean, at the time, like a week ago, to say here's when it's gonna stop and here's when it's gonna start to come back down. ACH Crypto, guys. For those who don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and go back here to Cardano, to the home, and Alchemy Pay. From what we studied last week, it's an amazing cryptocurrency too. It's a great crypto. Utility driven, no problem. It has privacy concerns. I've heard in my comments, and I've heard some other places, right, that the fact that it's a Chinese influence company cryptocurrency, your privacy might be at risk. Noted. So some people wouldn't care about that. As long as you own a piece of the pie on Coinbase, you let the company rip, and once you hear the bad news, you are out. That's one way to see it. I know I'm talking, it's not exempt from issues with the law, but I'm putting my best wishes, and I'm talking because I think it has a more secure and stable play field, okay? For ACH, I see it as a more risky play, but still an amazing opportunity to make money for the utility that it brings to the table. That's what it is. ACH is an Ethereum token that powers Alchemy Pay, as we studied many times last week. a platform that enables payments using a wide variety of fiat and cryptocurrencies. So we can compare AMP token to ACH. Absolutely, that's what I think. And I'm gonna go ahead and trim down all the way to the 1 hour. There you have it. And you can see the price on the RSI right now, 14 close. It's coming back down. So from the RSI, yes, you're seeing that right now. From the RSI, everyone, that's the 1 hour. Not a bad time to start DCA, as Isaiah would say. What is DCA? Let's say that you have $1,000 and you want to invest in crypto. Every week you buy $100, $100, no matter the price. When it is down, when you see it down, I mean, the highest was 20 cents on Coinbase, probably was 23 cents. Remember that reaction? So when it's down, like right now, you buy a little bit more. When it's up, you buy a little bit less, but you just keep buying because you don't know exactly what's going to happen, if it's going to continue growing. Why? Because this is a cryptocurrency. It's very difficult for us to see a concrete and congruent prediction. We do the best we can, but I mean, it's not guaranteed. Why? Because this is cryptocurrency, everyone. Nobody really knows what the price will be tomorrow. But for ACH Crypto, my status from what I see right now, I first said I wanted to see it at 4 cents. That's what I first said, 4 cents. And what I see right now, let me go ahead and draw it for you. I'm going to go ahead and get my horizontal line right about here. We're looking at price. I'm going to add the note for you to see even better. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Price label. Boom. 0.07. 7 cents. So if ACH comes back down about here on August 11, tomorrow, let's say, as it's continuing dropping down, if we see the price of ACH touch 7 cents once again and rejects that support, then good news, everyone. Why? Well, it rejected the support, which means that we probably found a price floor, a bottom that is not letting the price of ACH drop and eventually coming back up. How long will it take to go back to 10 and 15 and 20 cents, which I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. Maybe yes, maybe not. But by looking at the price right now, it can be a little bit difficult. I think the first thing that we want to see right now for ACH, as you're seeing this video, is for it to reject 7 cents. Because we had a previous 7 cents right here on August the 8th. It was rejected heavily, came back to 14 cents. Then we had an upper support of about 9 cents. And then ever since, it's been dropping. Let me go ahead and build for you a Fibonacci retracement from the up to the low. And I'm going to open this all the way here. So looking at the Fibonacci retracement, where with the Fibonacci retracement, you pretty much help yourself construct the support and resistances. You know, I've been learning a lot, so on my own too, right? Because I want to give you more of the updated things. Let me go ahead and check the chat right now. Problems, Pat. I must have missed it. What's going on with ACH? Well, we're talking about ACH right now, so welcome. Keep buy when it's going down. That is not a bad strategy. I buy what I can, work my patience, and let it do what it is going to do. Those guys are the best comments I've read today. Just buy what I can, work on my patience, and let do what it's going to do. Absolutely. And that's what I believe too. That's what I believe too. Today in my video, I talked about Ethereum, and I've been holding Ethereum for 7 months. 7 months! I started talking about I'm token in April, so that's April, May, June, July, about 5 months. So I've been holding I'm token 5 months, or let's say 5 months shy. It's not even close to like 2 months away from Ethereum, right? So still there's a lot to do, a lot of room for patience and for building my positions. Because remember this, everyone. Like the movie Remember Me. Remember this, guys. Once things start to shoot up, it will be too late to really make the good money. Because we can go right now and buy Bitcoin at $45,000 and expect for it to go to 100,000. But why weren't you buying at 29,000? So things to think about, right? ADA 1.7, Richard? Cool. That's great, buddy. So, okay, looking at the Fibonacci retracements, take a look at this. We have our first resistance at 10 cents from the price right now. Second resistance at 12. Third resistance at 14, as we said right here. It reached 14 cents. And it reached this first resistance at 0%. So we really have to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels. The golden ratio, guys, is 0.618, 61%. That's the golden ratio. And there's much room to grow. In all this short time, couple days ago, we went very quickly. Now with I was reading in the ACH group, the Facebook group, people were saying, why are the news that are coming out not helping the price? Welcome to I'm Token. I'm Token, we had so many great news over all this time. News about, the cryptocurrency, and the price doesn't move. It's just a waiting game at this point. Nathan, can I buy ADA now? If I was you all, I buy ADA now. ADA, like I said, great opportunity, massive opportunity. And I have ADA, and I will absolutely recommend to anyone, but you guys do whatever is best for you, because I'm not a financial advisor. So best strategy for ACH Crypto to continue moving on, I will buy right now. Yes, because I know it can continue dropping lower to 4, 5, 6 cents. Absolutely, that could be a possibility. Like I said, it has to reject this support. If it doesn't reject and keeps diving, everyone, if it keeps diving, then DCA, everyone, DCA. So that's for you to keep in mind when it comes to ACH. What about Polygon? Another good one to improve Ethereum. That's the purpose, to make transaction fees and the speed better. I will be buying Cardano or Ethereum right now instead of Polygon. But I mean, Polygon is a great project just because Ethereum, it's adding more upgrades and it's helping them itself. So Polygon, reason to exist for once is, of course, to help Ethereum. So diversify, but I mean, Polygon, it's a good one. That's what I'll tell you. Dennis Chandler, are you welcome, buddy? I got $600 worth of ACH at 0.02. Okay, well, that's fantastic. 0.02. Dennis, I'm jealous of you. I should have taken some profit at 18 cents. But I didn't. Do you think I should go ahead and after we see what tomorrow brings or what? Well, Dennis, when I was doing my live stream, when the price were going all the way up, what was I saying? Where is your happiness level, Dennis? If I was you and I wanted my cash right now, I know what to do, right? But guess what, Dennis? If you sell right now, you will have to pay a lot of high taxes, capital gains tax. And we know that the government is working on that, positively or negatively. Depends which side of the aisle is leading the government at this point. And you take into consideration, everyone. If it's a small amount, no worries. But if you have a big amount of ACH, just be ready for the taxes, my man. But If you're waiting, if you're willing to hold, Dennis, for a while, and I've been waiting 7 months on Ethereum, 5 months on AMP token, then go ahead and wait. If not, you know what to do. Hope that helps. ADA, okay, you guys want to take a look at ADA closer? Absolutely. So let's go back to ADA. So that's ACH, guys. That's my take on ADA. Well, beautiful thing. Look at this. Yes. Okay, we're gonna be talking now a little bit more ADA. How about that, guys? It's winning. We want to talk about winners, not losers. I'm just kidding. Oh, what a beauty. Welcome to all the 100 plus viewers. My name is Oscar Ramos, and in this channel, I talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. I love it. I've been investing since last year, 2020. And well, what can I tell you is slow, steady wins the game, long-term growth, little by little. So please go ahead, guys, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. That will mean a lot to me. Thank you so very much. All right, now we already talked about AMP token. We already talked about ACH. And right now we're going to start talking. I didn't add it to the thumbnail, but I'm going to start talking a little bit more about ADA since it's rising. I'm going to go ahead and show you the year today. Oh, what is it? Oh, yes, I know what to do. There you go. There you have it. It's always good to know how to use TradingView. So this is the year to date on ADA, and everyone, ADA is one of those cryptocurrency that you wanna own. I learned about ADA too late. I could have been already driving a Lambo, but I'm not. I think those are the mistakes you learn in life, right? But that's fine. That is fine. Problems. I like Anchor most. Half my profits go into Ethereum 2 staking. Yes, problems. I do have $100 on Coinbase, getting me those beautiful 5% Ethereum 2 staking. Let me tell you, I mean, the quiet projects like Ethereum 2 on Coinbase are the ones that are going to have the huge, really massive returns once everything starts to finish on Ethereum 2. And as I explained in my video today about Ethereum, right, which I own and I like, once Ethereum 2 releases, make sure you're early in the train. Make sure you're early and already ready to go to the moon because it's going to blow up. Ethereum and Bitcoin prices according to the Bitcoin flow to stock model. Bitcoin should have already been right now at $95,000 per one Bitcoin. Ethereum, people forecasting Ethereum above 10,000. So will that happen? I am more positively to see Ethereum and Bitcoin at those levels. And this is true, honestly, guys. And sorry if I offend somebody, but I do see those prices more likely to happen than I'm talking on ACH. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why is that? Well, because those cryptocurrencies have so much value proposition. I'm not saying I'm talking or ACH do not, but they are an entire university of value proposition. And ACH and AMP Crypto are one class or one subject. You see what I'm saying? It's huge. It's huge. So, and plus the publicity and the marketing, they already have it. So that also helps for people to jump in or so. What do you guys think? That's what I think about those two. ADA, everyone, this is what we're looking at. I'm going to be adding a little bit more of indicators to help me out. And Bollinger Bands, I'm going to close this baby. I'm going to bring my Bollinger Bands. I love it, my BB. So I have my BBs. I'm going to give it a little bit better style because it's not huge enough for me. There you go, upper. And I'm going to do this one and I'm going to do this one so you guys see better. There you go. This is ADA, everyone. Welcome, welcome. One day, man, you'll get the Lambo. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. One day, God willing. I own 25%, one Ethereum, one full Ethereum at least. I I have one Ethereum, and Richard, it feels fantastic. But guess what? One Ethereum is not enough. It's not enough. I want to have way more, like 5 or so. But I also want to have 100,000 AMP token. But I also want to have like 10,000 Cardano. But I also want to have. Oh boy, when will this stop? Never, because this is the future. And like the way I started my live stream is putting your coins very secure. And we just know what happened today with the Poly Network biggest DeFi hack of $600 million. What can I say? It's sad, it's disappointing. So always keep your cryptocurrency safe, and that by any means is gonna make me stop investing in cryptocurrencies. It's just only gonna center me and put me a little bit more cautious. Never share your wallet addresses. Never share. I mean, some people say never share your positions, like how many you have. I mean, you guys know that already. I'm not worried, of course, because I always try to keep everything like passcodes and all of that hidden. But when you pass, like there's also YouTubers who have the amount that it shouldn't be named, like 100 Ethereums or so, and they publicly say that they have so many. It's you're really trusting that the brokers are gonna protect it. So hopefully that like another hack never happens. So bottom of the story, be careful with your cryptocurrency. And if you want, there's always the ledger, the hard wallets, so you can grab that wallet address from the broker, let's say from Coinbase or Gemini, and you pass your cryptocurrency to your hard wallet, and nobody ever can get to that cryptocurrency but yourself. Just remember your passcodes, because if you forget them, goodbye. Darin, AMP price prediction in this next bull run, 15 cents, 15 to 20 cents. If we get another altcoin bull run that we much need, 15 cents, that will be a great price to start. And if that happens, of course, the market capitalization is going to blow up, and a lot of people are going to be very happy. Very happy. ADA is working on adding smart contract, which should be done by September. One good thing about ADA is 70% of its stake. Absolutely. How do you feel about ACH now? Well, just talked about ACH a couple of minutes ago, so feel okay. It's a cryptocurrency to me that it's worth putting some money. Like if you give me an option, Dogecoin or ACH, ACH 100%. If you give me an option, AMP token or ACH, the two of them. If you give me Cardano or ACH, Cardano. Just for you guys to see it differently, right? With a different illustration. There are levels that I want you guys to understand. If you have to make a choice between Shiba Inu and ACH, what are you doing with Shiba Inu? Like, for example. I use it more like a savings account. I watched an interview with Vitalik and Coinbase Rep earlier, and a lot of good info with price prediction for the end of the year. You should check it out. Thank you, Problems. Appreciate it. Anything Ethereum is gold. Absolutely. Absolutely. 50 likes. Amazing. Thank you guys for the support. Appreciate it a lot. Now, this is a year to date on ADA. Now talking about ADA. And all the charts, all the analysis, technical analysis for year to date, everyone is telling me it's already overbought. You just told me earlier today, buy ADA, buy ADA, buy ADA. Well, why you didn't do it when it was at $1? See? Why you didn't buy ADA when it was at $1? So when it's red, blood, nobody's talking about it, that's when you massively buy. Right now, if you're a trader, this is when you sell. If you're a staker, You keep DCA, but in a lesser amount. That's it. That is it. So great that Cardano is gonna continue growing. That's fantastic. But those are my thoughts when it comes to buying these cryptocurrencies that are, going up very nicely. If you are not worried about right now, and of course are gonna be continuing holding for the upcoming years, as I was giving you my one of my thoughts and opinions, holding cryptocurrencies for 10 years or so and thinking about our children enjoying the world of cryptocurrency in 10 years. If you're planning to hold for such long and not caring whatever it says, if you put in your money in a cryptocurrency that is not moon shooting like the other one, then buying right now is absolute no problem. One thing I found interesting about cryptocurrency is that we'll have different opinions and there's not one absolute truth when it comes to price predictions, right? So the best cryptocurrencies out here, what are they? Let's go back to CoinMarketCap. We'll find it right now for you. Top 10. These are the top 10 cryptocurrency. Inside is Cardano. So out of all of these, I would stay away from Tether, from Dogecoin, from USD coin because it's a stable coin, and that's it. So I'm gonna actually do a favor to you. Well, not a favor, but just something funny. Let me see. There you go. I have my little shock. You'll understand. So there you go. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. All of them. The rest, go back. I'm gonna change the color to red. So 1, 2. Oh, that was terrible. And 3 XRP, absolutely. And Polkadot 4. And 5 Bitcoin. And that's it. Those are my top 5 from the top 10 on CoinMarketCap. There you go. There you go. Dogecoin, guys. No, I pass on Dogecoin. I mean, if you have a different opinion on Dogecoin, that's fine. That's great. You're totally welcome. But no, right now, I mean, what really kills me on Dogecoin is the circulating supply, everyone. I cannot stand on that circulating supply. It's outrageous. Or just like it's unlimited. That's what I'm trying to say. That's basically it. If you wanted to buy cryptocurrencies right now, just check out the coinmarket.com. The top 10 by market capitalization are this. These are the most used and the ones that have the highest chances of overcoming a possible cryptocurrency apocalypse. Always think about those terms, right? Because we want to be efficient with our money. If tomorrow something happens with crypto and everything goes to the drain, will these cryptocurrencies survive? And I think Bitcoin, absolutely no question. Ethereum, absolutely no question. Cardano, XRP, and Polkadot. There you have it. So I hope this helps some people. I'm sure by giving out some different illustration, it can help you guys see things better. This is the way I see it. And if you like it, if you agree with it, great. If you disagree, let me know in the comments. That's what you have. What is the price prediction for Ethereum and ADA? For Ethereum right now, above $4,000, I see it absolutely for Ethereum by the end of the year. And I'm being extremely conservative. For Cardano, above $2.50, I see it. Just using my common sense, not really using any technicals right now to find that price, but I'm just using my common sense and being conservative. That's what I think for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let me go ahead and grab some more water. So we came to the point of Q&A, everyone. We talked about Ethereum. We talked about AMP token. We talked about ACH. We talked about Cardano, wasn't in on the list, but because it's rising right now, I'm gonna go to a more closer look. I'm gonna go to the 4 hours. This is Cardano. This is too messy. There you go. So Cardano right now, I'm gonna be adding the price right now, which is 1.7. Well, 1.71. So 1.71 or so, right there. So it's doing very well. So that price, the last time we had that price was in June 7. We had the price of 1.7 back in June. That is great. That is great news. That tells you, everyone, that holding a cryptocurrency pays off, because I bought Cardano after the drop from here from May. I bought it after and I held it. So I'm making money with Cardano. Yoo-hoo! And I'm planning to hold it. And I don't care if the end of the year 2021 we stay at 1.7 or 1.75. I'm still gonna use it. No worry. Some people, like anonymous users, say Cardano will be $15 to $20. Some people say that, and I'm like, wow, that'll be incredible. Because by then, guys, let's say Cardano does reach $10 or so. Imagine how many of them would you own by then? Because this is the thing: your typical citizens and the people out there buying at Walmart or so, they have no idea what Cardano is. They have no idea what AMP token is. We're the only crazy people here in the world that know this type of cryptocurrency. Once all of these go live, it's like we're watching a concert play out. But the concert, there are not even instruments in the concert. There's nobody ready for the concert, but the concert is coming. Cryptocurrency is coming. Hope that helps, guys. Double J. I own 8 coins: Ethereum, ADA, DOT, ACH, XLM, SQL, AMP, and Matic. Looking to drop one. Any thoughts? Looking to move some money into better coins. Double J. Keep Ethereum. Keep Cardano. Keep Polkadot. XLM and SQL, I don't know them. Like XLM, I've heard it. Let me go ahead and find it for you. You guys can help me out which ones are those, because I have so many coins in my head that I sometimes forget. XLM. What is XLM, guys? Help me out here. XLM. Oh, Stellar. There you go. I'm not really sure on Stellar right now. So if you want to drop one on SQL scale. Scale, which is crowd. I'll be between Stellar and Scale. The rest, leave him. Good one. ACH is really risky. It is. But guess what, my friend? People like risky. That's what I've learned so far. Because if you don't know, guys, I'm going to go back to ACH here. If you don't know, guys, people like risky. Like, people want to make money, and that's something. It's also shocking to me because it's super risky, guys. Like, you don't understand how risky it is to sometimes buy without knowing what's gonna happen. But you will find that people are willing to take the risk, even though a lot of people, massive people, is on the line. Massive money is on the line. Nice. ACH in the long term, Antonio. I still haven't given a price prediction on ACH for a reason. I said in one of my videos that I wanted to wait just another week, so I'm gonna hold on to that thought too today. I want to see one more week because I just explained earlier today that we need to see this support bounce. If this support doesn't stop the declining price, then embrace yourselves for a deeper dive. But if this support bounces like it did on August 8th, then good news. So slowly but surely, still looking at ACH carefully for you guys. Absolutely. Litecoin, I honestly have not really much idea on Litecoin. So Litecoin, I really don't cover it too much, to be completely honest with you. But I remember Litecoin being like 300. I remember when it was the bull run. Right now, it's just steady and slow. So Litecoin is one of the first cryptocurrency that was created as a fork of Bitcoin and offers faster transaction times and lower costs. So the thing with Litecoin that I know is it is faster and better when it comes to transaction costs than Bitcoin, but there are some much better ones already created like Cardano and much more. So that's the thing. It's a good option compared to Bitcoin, but not compared to the latest DeFi cryptocurrencies. IOXTX amateur. Let's go ahead and take a look at what is that. Right now is Q&A time, everyone. So if you have a question, we'll be answering questions right now for a while, and then that's it. And I, of course, want to thank you guys for stopping by to the live. If you like the content and like the questions and you're understanding some new knowledge today, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. More crypto, stock, and more investment content coming up ready for you. So what is this? IOTX. Oh, wow. It's booming. What in the world is this? Is it coming on? Where is it coming? Coinbase tomorrow? Oh boy. Nah. Are we late for the for the pump? I love you guys because you always tell me like these crazy moments. Look at this. Really? It's coming on Coinbase tomorrow? Wow. So if you guys are watching this, thank you for who was amateur works. I'll be go ahead. I mean, I don't know what this coin is about, but go ahead and take a look at it, guys. IOTX for my traders, because I have stakers like myself and traders. You traders, you want to make money quick? Go ahead and take a look at this one, if you are willing to take the risk. I should have out my Ethereum into 88. Anonymous user, welcome to crypto. Bergie, what can we expect from AMP within the month? You can expect to either continue at 6 cents, rise to 8 cents, or drop to 4 cents. That's what I think. Different opportunities, but nothing beyond that. Nothing beyond that. If it goes back above 8 cents, that'll be fantastic. We have the first super chat of the night, guys. Thank you so very much, Ramos. What's your opinion on the Ethereum Classic? Thanks, man. Appreciate it, buddy. Thank you so much for your support. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum Classic. First thought on Ethereum Classic, Ramos, is that I first got into Ethereum Classic. I didn't purchase Ethereum Classic, but I was aware of Ethereum Classic from Robinhood, because Robinhood offers Ethereum Classic, if I'm not mistaken. Let me actually double check that, because it's been a while. I don't buy cryptocurrency on Ethereum on Robinhood forever. So to my knowledge, they have it. Just want to check it. Yes, it is. Okay. So I was right. Because it's been a while. So Ethereum Classic, it's basically a different type of approach for Ethereum. So when the founders were working on Ethereum, there were some discordance, some issues, and they separated. And then there you have Ethereum Classic. Well, from what I've learned, Ethereum Classic, it was what Ethereum was meant to do since the very beginning, because Ethereum, the one we know now, has new approaches, and that's it. So Ethereum Classic, there you have it. Here you have Ethereum Classic is in fact the legacy change of Ethereum, and its two creators are therefore the original Ethereum developers. Look, a continuous hard fork on Ethereum occurred in July 2016 when participants disagree over whether to revert the blockchain to cancel out the effects of a major hack. So there were some disagreements with Ethereum Classic. So those are my first thoughts on Ethereum Classic. I prefer, Ramos, to buy Ethereum than Ethereum Classic, because I'm not really familiar to 100% what Ethereum Classic is. I hope it is something close to Ethereum, but if I were to put my money, I will do it on Ethereum, because it's the one that is leading the way. It's the one that Vitalik is actually, leading face forward, and possibly, of course, in the future, looking at Ethereum 2.0. So those are my thoughts for that one. And thank you very much for your support. Appreciate it, my man. People were dumping Doge profit on Ethereum Classic. Other than that's risky. Yes, I remember. Because if I go back to Robinhood, you guys, I miss those days when TikTok was flooded. Flooded with TikToks from Robinhood Crypto. Oh boy. And to be honest with you, I was one of those back in the day. I was talking so much about Dogecoin because it was just getting so many views. But I came to a point this is just like pure gambling, because all the Dogecoin content on TikTok from Robinhood Crypto was super popular. And as soon as you use the hashtag Dogecoin to the moon, Dogecoin army, it will blow out. I had one TikTok going to 60,000 views, and it was insane. So it was just madness. But I'm happy that it's all now back to a good, stable, normal. Thoughts on Matic Polygon, everyone? Very good one. I talked about Matic earlier in the live stream, and I'm gonna go back here. This is ACH for those guys, and I will hold Matic absolutely. You have to understand that you have, for me, I have my top 5 and top 10 cryptocurrencies, but out of all those 10 and 5, I don't have the same amount of money in all of them. Where I have the most is number 1, Ethereum, then Token, Cardano, and I think the 4th could be Algorand, and then the list goes on. Even though you like one cryptocurrency, or I say that I like one cryptocurrency, I'm not endorsing any cryptocurrency, of course. You guys do your own research. But even though you like one, for risky purposes, do not put that much money onto it and just keep holding. Very good. Thoughts on Cardesi? I don't even know what Cardesi is, but it was just pump and dump. That's pretty much it. I know because I was talking about or I was checking Cardesi blow up. But one of my patrons also asked me, and I'm like, Typically, I like cryptocurrencies that trend upwards, and on Cardesi, not much to say, but my thoughts are not owning Cardesi anytime soon. Later on, I'll probably either be correct or wrong. You guys will judge. But yeah, I'm fine. The thing with cryptocurrencies that I see a lot is that I have one Bitcoin Cash just in case. There you go. The thing with cryptocurrencies, everyone, that I see a lot is that there are so many out there. And to be a little bit more precise as far as how many, if you go back to CoinMarketCap, right here at the top, 11,000. 11,000. So, yes, we can all have our top 50 or top 100, but I like to keep it short, top 5, top 10, and that's it. Uniswap, yes, Uniswap is great because it's a decentralized broker, so you don't really pay that much high fees, whereas on Coinbase and Gemini you pay a lot of them, because I mean they provide you a little bit more of security and protocols and stuff, privacy. But yes, when it comes to Uniswap, absolutely, it's changing the game. But the issue with Uniswap also is that, for example, the million token, from the tech lead, there are some tokens that may be dangerous, so you have to be careful. You have to be careful with the cryptocurrencies that come from Uniswap too. All right. Danny Chandler, hey, thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate it, buddy. Thank you so very much for the support. Thinking about converting half of my ACH into ADA. Okay, you're thinking about it. So let's see. If I convert, does the profit taxes still bid me in the rear? Thanks for what you're saying. Look, I appreciate the question. That's great. Number one thing I'm going to tell you, I'm not a tax expert, so I'm not going to give you any tax advice, because you shouldn't be getting that from me at all. Second thing, I've heard from, I'm going to go and find his YouTube channel, tax, because I want to help you get some questions here on YouTube. Taxi, what was the name? Please. Oh, yes. Stimulus check update. Where's this guy? Come on. It's not this guy, but it's the other guy. It's like the accountant guy. Tax value. I think it's tax value something. Tax value. There you go. Clear tax. Okay. So, Dennis, go ahead and check this guy. He talks about taxes for cryptocurrency. Check this guy. Check his videos, and this is going to help you way more. I've been watching some of his videos too. He's great on that one. And that's the best thing for you when it comes to that. But if I can give you my 3 cents, I will say yes, because you bought it. All right. Hope that helps. Hope that helps. How is the AMP staking going? Very good. Flex capacity. Let's go ahead and flex the capacity, everyone. So it was 1.4 the last time I checked. Yes, it's less. It's less because of the price. It's now 6 cents. As the price of AMP token grows, this price grows too. It's 1.3. So it's been going from 1.0 to 1.8. I've seen it flow all over. Typically, you will see it grow as the cryptocurrency price grows. It's doing well so far. Make sure you stake. Thank you, Dennis. Absolutely, anytime. How do you prove your cost basis if you put your coins onto a hard wallet? Help me understand your question, Anonymous. I don't get it. ADA be popping today? Absolutely. Here's ADA, everyone. 1.72, baby. Trading activity 64% buy. Popularity 5. So it's number 5 in popularity here on Coinbase, and on cryptocurrency is number 5. Everyone, Cardano, it's one big one that you should not miss. Please, should not miss. What do you think the low on ACH will be tonight going into the morning? Well, I already spoke on that one. Thank you, Joe, and welcome. It has to reject that 7 cent, high 7 cent line. It's right here. If it doesn't, the price of ACH at this time is 0.87. If it doesn't and keeps diving, then embrace for a deeper dive and DCA and grab. Some people will wait for 4 or 5 cents. That's, I think, unlikely. Like 4 3 cents, that's unlikely to happen because the circulating supply is not even close to AMP token. So it could keep that price above 6 cents. I see it. But if you see this this support level come back down, that's a good news to grab it even cheaper. Will it continue going up? I do think so. If the, of course, cryptocurrency and the project doesn't get in any legal issue at all or so, which it shouldn't. So the price of ACH, I do think it will continue going up because the project literally is helping a lot of companies and has a good utility. Jesus is God. How you doing, buddy? Welcome. Alrighty, everyone. Thank you. Appreciate the like. Everyone, well, we went over AMP token, ACH, Cardano, and of course the Ethereum. Today I even talked about Ethereum, so we went over Ethereum too. At the beginning of the live stream, I mentioned, of course, the Poly network super hacked, 600 million hacked in US dollars. So that was insane. It's a developing story. Here's just a little bit more from Forbes. More than 600 million stolen in Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, marking one of the crypto's biggest hacks ever. So will this stop you from investing in cryptocurrencies? Well, in my case, it will not. But it's just a reminder that this is barely starting. Like with the internet back in the 2000s. Why? Well, remember in the internet back in the day, it was the best place for scammers to steal your identity. Well, cryptocurrency, they don't steal your identity. They steal your coins. I'm going to say that once again. Back in the day, in the early 2000s, the internet was like, watch out with who do you give your information to. Watch out with spam emails, phishing, right? Remember? Well, now in the cryptocurrency world, the bad guys are up and ready to eat the good guys. So be careful with that. And yes, now they want to get your coins. So everyone, we went over a lot of things. Cardano price is doing well. So go ahead and check that one. If you're trying to hold Cardano, well, don't even worry about the price fluctuations. It's a great project that I own. So that is fantastic. Here's my portfolio. For those who are watching on Coinbase, I have about 857 ADA, 1,000 Algo, a little bit of Ethereum, and a little bit of Ethereum too. And of course, some AMP token. Some updates with my AMP token is that I'm growing a trading portfolio and I'm growing my staking portfolio. So on Gemini, it's where I have the most AMP tokens. That's going to be my staking portfolio. On Coinbase, I'm going to have my trading portfolio. So what does that mean? So trading for when you see the price up after a bull run, I sell for profits. I wait for the newest dip, I buy. I see the newest peak, I sell, and much more. For my staking portfolio, don't even worry. Long-term wins the game. Okay? So just wanted to share some of my updates for that one. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. ADA is driving my portfolio right now. There you go. Nice. Everyone, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. That was a little bit of my thoughts on the crypto market right now. Oh, look at this. My portfolio just crossed $3,000, and that's because of Cardano. I know. That is fantastic. Guys, you have all the links down below for the merchandise, for becoming, of course, a member here. We got, I believe, 3 VIP members in the chat, and we got a couple of them saying hi earlier today. All the links, of course, you want to talk to me on Discord and ask me anything, I'll do the homework for you. There's my Patreon link down below. Thank you for all the $10 in chat revenue to all the to my 2 people who donated. Very much appreciated, guys. Thank you for showing up to the live stream. We had so much fun. And even though I don't have a set schedule for the live streams, because it's going to be pretty tough starting fall, I'm going to keep at least making one every week, 1 or 2, possibly more, if we, of course, have great news on AMP token or ACH. You know, guys, that when AMP token is growing to the moon, there I am always on YouTube giving my opinions. And I appreciate you guys. Comments, feedback, likes, dislikes. Honestly, YouTube is a great place for us to have a great debate, for us to have a great comment section, just to make money. Because at the end of the day, I want to give you the best thoughts I have, my personal, non-financial opinion, for us to make the most money. You guys enjoy the night. Have a great one. God bless each and every one of you. Be safe, and I'll see you next time. Peace, everyone. Thank you so much for watching the live. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you next time, guys. We did it. We did it. Thank you, everyone. Have a good one.